How to make a GIF from photos on iPhone. Go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. The Shortcuts app is a powerful tool that allows users to automate tasks and create personalized workflows by combining multiple actions across different apps. It enables users to create custom shortcuts to perform actions with a tap or by asking Siri, streamlining their daily iPhone usage. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Gallery. On this page, go to the search bar and type in GIF. Tap on Make GIF from the results. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Shortcuts section. Here, tap on Make GIF as shown. Then, choose the photo you want to make the GIF from. And then, tap on Done. Now, go back and open up the Photos app. You can view the GIF you just created over here. Following these steps, you can easily make a GIF from photos on iPhone.